Alright, Wass here. So it's the tasting of the bacon. So first of all, we got gochujang. So that was the Korean chili paste. So let's have a taste of that. It's a very hard job. So we've got a lovely smoked bacon flavour with undertones of chili, soy. That's really nice. This one. So this is our black treacle. Now, I used to buy some black treacle and Guinness from a great company called Direct Meats, and that was my favourite. So let's see if I've got anywhere near that. So let's have a taste of that. So that's really, that's quite sweet. Could be a bit stronger on the treacle, but I'm not getting the licorice flavour, which is good. I was a bit worried it would get too much of the licoricey flavour coming through. So our next one, we've just done a smoked bacon rubbed in a supermarket pork barbecue rub. Wow, that's really nice and barbecue. I reckon if you had that in a nice burger, maybe a few jalapenos and a bit of grated mozzarella melted down, great. Make sure it's a good burger though. Okay, and then we just got our smoked one. So these are all quite pancetta-y tasting, and that's quite nice and clean, not salty. So I think I'm going to go with those again. The second two, I did use the snake smoke method, but that didn't really work for me. I didn't feel that the temperature was coming up enough, so I rescinded back to doing a 3-hour smoke as for the other ones. So we'll have another try. If you've got any suggestions on that, then please do comment below on Wass Cooks. Thanks very much.